Vinca plant is a fast-growing plant and sometimes it shows yellowing leaves that can be harmful and sometimes harmless, but it's important to know why the Vinca plant leaves are turning yellow. In this video, I have included the most common reasons of Vinca yellow leaves and their simplest solutions as well. So let's know about them, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The most common reason for Vinca yellow leaves is the nutritional deficiency. As Vinca plant grow fast, therefore it requires lots of nutrients time to time for its healthier and proper growth. But when soil doesn't have that, it causes the Vinca leaves to turn yellow. Majorly nitrogen and magnesium are the two different elements that keeps the leaves green, and their deficiency turns them into yellow. But the cure is really simple. You just have to use a good fertilizer that contains nitrogen and magnesium, like cow dung compost. But the deficiency of other nutrients like calcium, iron, zinc, etc. can also cause other leaf problems. Therefore it is preferred to use a complete fertilizer. Our homemade Vinca fertilizer has a nice combination of nutrients that will be optimum for the Vinca roots. It's added in the description, must check it out. Another cause of yellowing Vinca leaves is the bounding of roots. Vinca plant grow fast and their roots became stuck inside the pot walls. Therefore it requires a yearly repotting. But as soon as you know it can be due to the bounding roots, you should give it a bigger container. Until the roots are stuck inside the pot, Vinca plant wouldn't grow and not produce flowers as well. So make it solution immediately. Another common reason for the yellow leaves of Vinca is the overwatering condition, or the blockage of water in the soil. Overwatering causes a stressed condition on the plant, and in result the leaves starts to turn yellow. To diagnose this problem, you can check the upper soil layer for that. If it is wet, then it can be a problem. For the solution, immediately stop watering and try to be careful after that. But if your soil is water blocking, then you should change it, otherwise, it will kill your Vinca. For that, a good potting mix is added in the description box, you can check out that. Deficiency of the sun can also cause the yellowing of Vinca leaves. As it is a flowering plant, therefore you should place it at least in a bright spot. Otherwise, the lower leaves starts to turn yellow and, slowly the plant stops to grow as well. Vinca plant loves a full day of sun, so must provide it at least a few hours of sun. The next reason that makes the Vinca leaves yellow is the change of season. It is harmless and you don't need to do anything, just make sure the temperature is not going so extreme. Especially in winter, you will find yellow leaves on Vinca, which is a normal thing. It will be recovered automatically as the springs come back. As winter season is the off-season of Vinca, therefore you have to follow up on a few important points, otherwise it can be fatal. For that, a detailed guide is added in the description box, you can check out that. It is very common that all the Vinca leaves turns yellow, as we put it in a new pot. It is due to the transplant shock, and nothing is serious to worry about. Just put your plant in a bright spot, away from direct sunlight for a few days, and try to water normally. It will grow new leaves and will be okay after a few days. It also happened when we brought a new Vinca plant from the nursery, but you don't need to worry, just give it some time to settle in a new space. Another reason for yellow Vinca leaves is about its life. The lower leaves of the Vinca plant also turns yellow very commonly. That is maybe due to sunlight deficiency, or it had completed its life. As the leaves gets older, they turn yellow and falls off. It is a natural thing and you don't have to worry about this. So it's all about yellow leaves of Vinca plant. Hope you got some idea. For any question, leave a comment below. And check out this video to know more about growing Vinca flowers.